Guys, I've got a box of this Bowtie farfalle pasta and this 26-ounce bag, which is 52 meatballs. To that, we're adding a 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce. Goes right in the bag. And 2 cans of beef broth. One in there, the other one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out over our Bowtie pasta. Such an easy recipe, guys. To that, we're adding some minced garlic. I am a garlic girl, so I've got a couple of really good heaping spoonfuls of garlic. Add some onion powder to this. I like doing the powder instead of the bits of onion, so I like the powder for this recipe. Some Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt, not too much, and some black pepper. Mix this all together. Make sure that there's some herbs and spices in every bite. I like using beef broth instead of water because then the pasta is really, really tasty. Okay, now that we have our meatballs and our pasta and our sauce evenly distributed through our casserole dish, we're gonna go ahead and cover it with some foil and bake this for 35 minutes at 400 degrees. Oh, wow, that looks amazing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take a 2-cup bag of this Italian style blended cheese. Just put that all on top. And spread that around. And then we're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just a sprinkling on top of that mozzarella and the Romano, that Italian blend cheese. The Parmesan is gonna be so good on top of all of that. And then this goes back in the oven, 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, just so the cheese gets all melty and delicious. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Gonna put some parsley right on top. Got that red, green, and white Italian flag action going on there. So pretty. And you know me, I'm gonna go right in the middle. Got me a meatball. Let me get some of the cheese and the pasta as well. Just like, oh, it smells so good. Such a traditional kind of like meatballs and spaghetti, but with the farfalle, easier to eat with a fork. Make some, I know it'll be a hit.